As well, you can take off the whole tray of the top piece, or you can remove the whole tray. So that's kind of really cool with it. Up here you have your options when you turn it on. It has a nice chip in it as well that kind of remembers things. Keeps a perfect blend temperature, so you don't have to worry about that. Heats your cups up here if you're doing more than one cup or like your cup to be warm. You just set it on top here. There's a nice space up here for you to do that. They're warm right now. Here you have also like your 1 and 2 cups that you can choose. I love to make cappuccinos, so I double cup it all the time. But what it does too, like if you push this down the first time, and it will, and say you only want a half cup of a cup. So you get your half a cup and you release your button. Next time you make coffee in the morning, you just press it once and it will remember you like a half a cup. I think that was a very cool feature. Here is your frother as well. Does a great job because of the warming chip in it. You just pour your ice milk and it just does it really nice for you. Pretty easy to use. Pivotal. So yeah, it's cool. I like it. I love the slim profile of it. Everything works great on it. There's your frother button up here, by the way. So I've been enjoying this machine. I think it's great. I think it's nicely made. And after like 300 cups or something, there's like a descaling. That's a very good manual. Tells you about it. You just put water in something else, it said, and kind of like self-cleans then. So really descaling. So really nice machine. Does a great job. Really enjoying it.
So here we go. This coffee machine, I bought it as a new, and it's come, so when I open the box, it's come with this sign. These signs is indicate of it's being used. This is like a coffee, this is like a milk or something. And when you open this, here you go. Stains. Contact the seller. The seller advised me to get a replacement. I got a replacement after a couple days, and then I'm curious what's gonna happen. Then I found the same thing. You got the stain here. This is another indicate of this machine is being used. See if you can see this. Here you go. See, also this stain. Also the first one when came in, I didn't mention that. That is not belong to this machine. This is a different color. Next one when it's come in, that's the right one. But also, again, this is machine is being used, and yeah, I'm trying to get the people aware of this kind of seller. He's not doing a good job anyway. I contacted him a couple times, and yeah, that's the product, and then up to you. It's your responsibility now. If you want to buy this machine, you get lucky, you get the new one, but if not, then you get the new used one. And be careful about this. That's only a thing.
Trying to leave video. Machine will not work. Will not make a cup of coffee. Follow the directions. That still turns white instead of blue. Purged all the water out for the steam. water's gone. I'll leave it for another few seconds to see if there's no stir, but I've done this, as I said, 4 times already, and have not made my 93-year-old mother one cup of coffee. Utterly ridiculous. Go off of there. And let's see if it does it now after 4 or 5 minutes. No, it keeps turning like that. I turn it off, I turn it back on, and still does not work. No, still does not work. I followed step-by-step instructions. You can see there's water. This is full. This is like so hard to take on it off. It's getting looser as time goes by, but it's still not. If I could give this less stars, I would.
La parte de atrás vas aplastando el café. No, la estás hablando.
Las dos, pon las dos. Una ahí y coge otra con ella.
Esas son muy grandes, nene.
No, también.
¿También?
Sí.
¡Dale! El churro sale más.
Siempre hay mucho por
How I turned my countertop coffee bar from this to this, all using products I ordered from Amazon. To keep my tea bags organized, I ordered this plastic 3-drawer container. It holds about 25 tea bags in each little drawer. It's slim and can fit in any corner or small space. I absolutely love this milk frother and steamer. It has 4 settings so you can heat your milk, steam, make beautiful foam art, or if you prefer, cold foam too. This espresso maker has a milk frother and steamer. You can make espresso coffee or cappuccinos or lattes. I love these glass coffee syrup dispensers. They look so classy. The buttons are easy and smooth to push, and they come with these pre-made labels or some that are blank if you want to make your own. This 2-tier shelf is exactly what I was looking for to keep everything off the counter and well organized. So now, let's use it all to make some delicious coffee. And there you have it. Cheers. Bye.